Question 1 is, show that the lines, these two lines, are intersecting, hence find their point of intersection. So the OR part we will deal in the next slides. Right now we will solve this question. Now coming to the solution, we know one thing, that if the given lines are intersecting, then the shortest distance between them is 0, and also they have same common point, right? So we are forming these equations. And how are we forming it? Look, x minus 3. So x minus 3, this 3, right? Y minus 2, this 2. Z minus minus 4, that's why z plus 4. And upon this x minus 3 by 1. So because of this, right? Y minus 2 by 2, and z plus 4 by 2, this 2, right? So we are letting it equal to lambda. So this so the point P will be, right? So we are equating it. Okay, I will. So point P is this. 1 by 1 we will equate it to lambda. Similarly, we will do it for this R vector also, right? So point Q will be this. So if we know that if the lines are intersecting, then P and Q will be same, right? So these three are the equations we can derive easily, or we can find out easily from these calculations. So using equations 2 and 3 that we have already found out, so we got mu equals to minus 2, and after putting the value of mu equals to minus 2, we are getting lambda equals to minus 4, right? After putting these values, mu and lambda in equation 1, we are getting LHS equals to RHS, right? So we will be getting, after putting these values, for lambda minus 4, P is this, right? And for mu equals to minus 2, Q is this. Since P and Q are same, so lines are intersecting and their point of intersection is P and Q, and both of them are same, right? The second question in our part is, find the vector equation of the plane through the points 2, 1, minus 1 and minus 1, 3, 4, and perpendicular to the plane x minus 2y plus 4z equals to 10. So this is the given plane, and AB vector is minus 3i plus 2j minus 5k cap, right? And given plane is x minus 2y plus 4z equals to 10. And n vector is I cap minus 2i 2j plus 4k cap. So the required plane is perpendicular to the given plane, and therefore the required plane will be perpendicular to n vector and AB. Since we already know our requirements and our conditions, so now we will be doing the cross product of n vector and AB, right? And then we will find the required plane equation, and that is r vector dot n vector equals to a vector dot n, right? So after simplifying it, after simplification of this, we are getting the equation, and that is the required equation we need.